SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your mentor Vedika, and today we are going to start our second chapter of literature, and the name of the chapter is Vanity is a Horrid Vice. What is vanity, students? Vanity is pride, जैसे हम हिंदी में घमंड कहते हैं या फिर अहम कहते हैं. Okay, so it is a horrid vice. Vice is जिसे हम हिंदी में एक अवगुण कहते हैं या हमारे अंदर कोई कमी है, दैट इज आवर वाइस. ओके, सो प्राइड इज अ हॉरिड वाइस. तो ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी कमी है, ये हमारे अंदर सबसे बड़ा कह सकते हैं द्वेष है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द टेक्स्ट. Mr. Raven was perched upon a limb, and Renard the fox looked up at him. So, as you can see in the picture, Mr. Raven is a bird. There is a bird whose name is Raven. So, he is sitting up here on a limb of a tree. एक tree की branch पे वो बैठा हुआ है. And here we have a fox whose name is Renard. So, he is sitting right here and looking up at Mr. Raven. So, for the raven held in his great big beak a morsel the fox would go far to seek. Now, why the fox was looking up at the raven? Because the raven had a piece of food in his mouth. उसकी बीक में एक छोटा सा फूड का पीस था. Which is why the fox was looking up at him, because he wanted that piece of food. As you all know, fox is one of the greediest animal that we have been told into our stories. So here also the fox is shown as a very greedy animal who wants the piece of morsel, who wants the morsel from the mouth of a raven. So, said the fox in admiring tones, "My word, Sir Raven, you are a handsome bird." So, the fox is pretending to be an admirer of the raven. How? जो फॉक्स है वो रेवन को ऐसे प्रिटेंड कर रहा है दैट ही एडमायर्स हिम एंड ही सेज यू आर अ हैंडसम बर्ड. फॉक्स रेवन से कहता है कि यू आर वेरी हैंडसम. वो उनके लुक्स की तारीफ करता है. सच फेदर्स इफ यू वुड ओनली सिंग, द बर्ड्स ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स वुड कॉल यू किंग. नाउ व्हाट इज ही ट्राइंग टू से? ही इज admiring his feathers, the raven's feathers. He's saying such feathers. So this shows that he is admiring the looks of the raven. He says, if you would only sing. So he is provoking the bird, the raven, to sing, to open its beak. The birds of these woods would call you king. So he is saying कि अगर आप गाओगे तो इस woods के, इस जंगल के जितने भी birds हैं, they will start to call you king, their king. सो ही इज सेइंग दैट आपकी वॉइस इतनी मीठी होगी क्योंकि आपके लुक्स इतने सुंदर हैं कि जो इस वुड्स के सारे बर्ड्स हैं दे विल स्टार्ट टू कॉल यू किंग. नाउ यू शुड नो दैट अ रेवन इज अ बर्ड हुज वॉइस इज वेरी रफ. इट्स नॉट ब्यूटिफुल एट ऑल. इट इज एज रफ एज ऑफ अ क्रो. ओके, सो हियर द fox is trying to provoking the raven to sing for him. The raven, who did not see the joke, forgot that his voice was just a croak. So, here, the raven, who did not see that the fox was joking. It's like true. If I have a rough voice and someone is saying that, oh wow, your voice is very beautiful, you sing very nice. So, I am the one to know that I cannot sing well, right? Same here, the raven should know that he cannot sing, because his voice is just a croak. He did not see that the fox was joking and he forgot that his voice was very rough. He opened his beak in his foolish pride and fell down the morsel the fox has spied. So what did he do? He opened his beak to sing. उसने गाने के लिए अपने मुंह को खोला and what he was carrying in his mouth, a morsel, it fell down, which the fox was seeking or spying. The fox was after what? The morsel that was in the beak of raven, which he got by provoking him, by fooling him and telling him that I am an admirer of yours and I would like you to sing for me, right? Ha ha, said the fox, and now you see, you should not listen to flattery. Vanity, sir, is a horrid vice. I'm sure the lesson is worth the price. Now the fox has got the morsel. Fox को वो food का piece मिल गया. And then he says, haha, and now you see, you should not listen to flattery. When someone is buttering you, is over appreciating you, over admiring you, you should never listen to it. First the fox made the raven to sing. उसने उसे गाने पर मजबूर किया. And then he said कि आपको कभी भी flattery पे ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए, कभी नहीं सुनना चाहिए. Right? Vanity, sir, is a horrid vice. Now vanity is pride. Why? Why we are talking about vanity here? Because the raven got into a foolish pride. उसको लगा कि वो बहुत अच्छा गा सकता है, क्योंकि fox ने उसको ऐसा feel कराया. Right? Now he is saying that vanity is a horrid vice. Vanity एक बहुत बड़ी कमी है हमारे अंदर. Right? I'm sure the lesson is worth the price. Now he is saying कि जो मैंने आपको lesson दिया है is worth the price. What was the price? The raven lost his food of the day. Why? Just because he listened to the flattery of the fox. So the fox is saying that you should never listen to flattery and vanity is a horrid vice. So the price for the lesson that he paid raven was his food. So he says that I am sure that the lesson is worth the price. So according to fox, it is not anything wrong that the fox did, but he gave the raven a lesson. उसने raven को एक lesson दिया and उसके बदले में he took his food. So this is why he is saying I am sure the lesson is worth the price. Okay, I am sure you have understood the chapter very well and you will not have any problems with the exercise that is coming afterwards. First, let's read the vocabulary. First word is flattery. So, flattery, as I have already told you, is praise या किसी की तारीफ करना, किसी को admirable compliments देना. So, flattery is praise. Horrid is very unpleasant or unkind. That is not pleasant. Next one is limb. Limb is a branch of a tree, as we have already discussed. Next one is morsel. Morsel is a piece of food. Another one is perched. Perched is sitting on a branch of a tree. Now, spied, secretly observed. The fox was secretly observing the raven's food. So, he was spying over it. Vanity is a state of having too much pride. Having too much pride is having vanity. Last one is vice, that is a bad habit. Okay, so this was your vocabulary and I hope the chapter is also clear to you all and you also understood the lesson the fox was trying to give to the raven. So that's it for today. Next up we have our exercise. I hope you will be able to do it on the basis of the explanation you just got. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep on learning. Bye-bye.